and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Code Chasers. Let's dive deep into the code and try to find is array static or not. So, we will declare an array of size 5. Now we will store the data in it. Okay, I am using the variable name I. I can store the data manually, but I'll try to store the same data of variable that I'm using in the loop. So I'll use the I plus 12. When I is 0, it means at the index 0 for the first value of array, it will store 0 plus 12, which is the 12. Next for the 13 and so on. So we'll display this cout and index I, and I'll also display the value of array. Okay, array I and that. Okay, let's try to show what is happening here. So that's normal, it is storing 5 values, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. But what if I try to access the next index of this array? Okay, I am trying to store 15 values in this array. Can I store? What do you think? Yes, in C++ we can store. Okay, let's try to store 1000 values in this array. And we also decrease its size to 0. When I declare array with size 0, it means I cannot store any of the values in it. But in C++, I can. Let's check this approach in Java. I'm using an online compiler for this purpose. So I'll declare an array of same size 5. Let's copy the same loop which I used at the C++ program. So I'll put the same values that I was putting there. Okay, let's display this. Instead of ln, I'll display index value and equals array of I plus and backslash n for next line. So what's going on here? Oh, sorry, I'm using this. Okay, that's it. So let's try to display this value. Okay, it's working fine. But what if I try to store 15 values in this array? Oh, Java is not allowing us to store data more than its size. It means we can store only 5 values in it. We cannot store more than 5 values in this array. I think this is a right approach so that we can store only 5 values, because we declare an array of size 5. So we should only allow to store 5 values. But in C++ program, I declared that I'm not storing a single value in this array. But when I stored 1000 values, it allow us to store. I think this is a wrong approach. In the next video, I'll explain you should we use this technique to store data or not. So that's all for today. You can also write your opinion about this behavior of C++ array in the comment section below. And goodbye.